Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Myself Mitanshi. If you have tried creating a web application or mobile app, then you know that it is not always simple, especially if you are not a full stack developer with years of experiences. The good news is that if you don't want to invest time in setting up a full-fledged backend, which is not often required, for small app, then Firebase can really help you. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the best 5 courses to learn Firebase in this year. But before diving into it, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get update regarding the new videos. So firstly, we come to know what is Firebase exactly. So Firebase is commonly known as BaaS or backend as a service. It is easy to set up and boost a variety of features to build a scalable and complex web applications. Some of the features included authentications, a real-time database, and a test lab for testing across multiple clients. So without wasting any more of your time, let's begin with our first course, that is building web apps with Vue.js 2 and Firebase. This is my favorite and probably one of the best courses on Udemy's platform to learn Firebase if you are learning Vue.js. In this course, you will learn both Vue.js and Firebase. It will first teach you Vue.js and how to create a full-fledged Vue application and then move to Firebase. This is one of the most demanded courses on Udemy's platform to learn Firebase in this year right now. So the second on the list is Firebase Fundamental by Joe Ames. This is a great introductory course to learn Firebase on the plural side. The course is targeted to front-end developers, but anyone who wants to learn Firebase can benefit from this course. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of working with Firebase from a front end and so that you can take advantages of not only its blazing fast data storage capabilities but also its simple API. So the third on the list is Firebase Firestore for iOS. If you want to learn about the brand new Firestore, a NoSQL document-based technology for iOS development, then this course is best for you. In this course, you will start from the ground up and learn about Firebase fundamental authentications and a deep dive into the Firestore security rules. So the next on the list is full stack web application with Firebase. This is one of the most demanded and the great course on educative website. It is a text-based interactive course to learn Firebase for full stack web application development on Educative, one of the new online learning platforms. In this course, you will learn how to create and launch web applications extremely quickly using Firebase. This course takes a project-based approach, which is also the best way to learn new technology like Firebase. So the last on the list is Firebase and Firestore Masterclass. This is another great course on Udemy's platform to learn full stack development with Angular 9 in this year. And you will learn some essential Firebase exercises or the services like Firestore, Firebase storage and hosting, Firebase cloud functions and Angular Fires and much more. So that's all about the best online courses to learn Firebase in this year from the different websites like Udemy's, Pluralsight, Educative and much more. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you will like. If yes, so don't forget the video and subscribe our channel to get updates.